San, sanananan, san, sanananan. Hello, maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Again, this is your Neville RC, your Eco Queen from Guanas Diseños, a home of unique and original creations. Again, isang maputing araw kaninyong tanan. Okay, maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. So, for today's video guys, not a time for your meeting. Kaya mo something naka-white yun yung i-ano. So, joke rin ang tanan. So, for today's video, again, ladies and gents, nami i-flex sa among ika-third element sa among ang elemental queen. So, i-flex na naman no, ang among one of finished product na sa among third element. So, nakahiskot naman tabot sa fire at saka sa water. So, this time guys, since naka-white yung iyaan, i-flex namin namong air elemental queen. So, ayan. Jeng, 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 jeng. San, sanananan. Okay. O, diba guys? So, tingnan nyo po yung details niya. So, muna ni siya guys, no? Muna na ito ang finished product sa itong air element. So, as you can see guys, no? Aside sa iyang details guys, no? Ang forma niya is pang air po talaga. So, may mga something feather or pako-pako ang iyahang style sa costume. So, explain ko for now ang atong ang usay materials ng gigamit aning ating costume. So, this time guys, as you can see yung white, no? Around the white is what we call the Sunrocks, the plastic bottle. So, familiar naman mo sa mong Sunrocks, no? Nga mong ginakat. So, this time guys, Sunrock ni siya, made of Sunrock ni siya nga plastic bottle. So, pabalo na mo sa pag-process na mo during cut. So, tanan puting nga makita na tanan guys is all about plastic bottles Sunrocks made. So, napot tayo mga crystal tones, no? So, as you can see, mga white yan, crystal tones, since air ang ating concept. So, may mga molds bunta dyan. So, ayan guys, no? So, this is our air element. So, ayan, di ba? This is the third element of our elemental queen. So, ayan. Again, mo niya itong part 2 sa atong ika-third na element, which is the air elemental queen. So, ayan guys. So, tingnan nyo. Diba? Super po ganda ito in personal at saka super tibay po talaga ito guys. So again, no, marami talagang nag-enter about piliin mo ng Pilipinas. Unay na unta man tanan no kay na may costume. So again guys, super po talaga pagod kasi sa kadagag costume malibog na ko sa akong ipagsuot, then kung kami po biya po muhimog video, so effort po kayo siya, so di pa dyan karon ang time, so maabot na dyan ang time guys. So again, this is our air elemental queen. So again, no, so hapit na dyan mga ng atong 4 elemental queen. So this is the third one. Okay, sana magustuhan nyo po guys ang ating air. Again, thank you so much for watching guys. This is your Neville RC, your eco queen, your eco lover, and using eco-friendly materials. Again, this is your Neville RC. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and of course, follow. This is your Neville RC from Gonas Diseños, a home of unique and original creation. Maraming salamat at magandang araw.